Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the introduction and unboxing of Stryker Formula Arthroscopic shaver blade. This is the how the box looks like. Typically this is a 5 pieces box. You can see just just take you through the box. You can see the Stryker brand. This is how it looks. What we are going to see right now is like a Formula Tomcat cutter, 4 mm into 125 mm. Okay, this is the other side. You can see this is manufactured in the US, an FDA licensed product and CE certified product. Yeah, this is how it is called. It's called Arthroscopic shaver blade. A typical box contains 5 numbers. This is used along with the Stryker handpiece instrument. Okay, let me just show you around. Here you go. Okay, let me go to the front side. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to open and show you the content inside the box. Okay, just a minute. Okay, this is how there is five blades inside each box. Just let me question it for you. Okay. And each box will also contains a complete manual. Just this is how the manual looks like. A complete manual for this arthroscopic shaver blades. It's in different languages. Just take a look at this. It has the user instructions and complete details about the product. Here you go. Take a look at the sizes. Here you go. So the box, each typical box contains one manual and the 5 blades. This is a typical kit, and to show you the individual blades, you can take a look how the blades look like, how the tips look like. This is the blade. This is the arthroscopic shaver blade. Let me show the other side. You can see this is a Formula Tomcat cutter. You can see the catalog part number here. It's a 4 mm into 125 mm length. So you have the instructions to maintain this product, also how to maintain that. It's made in the US and CE certified. You can see this here. Okay, this is the blade. Okay, let me keep this here. Okay. I hope you got an idea. This video is most primarily to show you introduction and unboxing of this Stryker Formula Arthroscopic shaver blade kit. Okay, just let me keep this organized for you. Okay, here it is. Okay, just a quick summary. A typical Stryker Formula box kit contains 5 blades, arthroscopic shaver blades, and one instruction manual, and this is all it is. Okay, thank you.